Print string1 or string2 in string does not give Boolean result. Why does print lorem and aliqua in string gives true? A Boolean. But print lorem or aliqua in string gives lorem. A string.
Try. And. Explanation: the condition in string will always be true as it checks string is non-empty.
With Boolean operations. The AND operator returns the y if both x and y are both truthy. In your example, y is aliqua in string, which evaluates to true. The OR operator returns the x if x is truthy. In your example, x is lorem. See this URL for more details. If the goal is to check whether lorem or aliqua occurs in string, realize that x or y in z is not x or y in z but x or y in z. The solution is to use the AND operator twice, for example.
In your second example, the string lorem evaluates to true and is being printed without checking if aliqua appears. Try searching for both.
Logical operators, lust like arithmetic ones, have relative precedence. Happens before plus, and happens before and, which happens before or. In your first case, in lorem and aliqua in string, evaluation happens as if parentheses were put like this: lorem and aliqua in string. First aliqua in string evaluates to true, then lorem in true evaluates to Boolean true. In your second case, in lorem or aliqua in string, evaluation order is the same: lorem or aliqua in string, lorem or true, lorem. Now, however, we have to talk about one small optimization that is used in many languages besides Python. Logically speaking, expression true in A is fully equivalent to A. You can derive that mathematically. So, when Python sees that the first part of an is true, or truish, it just gives you the second argument. In Python, non-zeros, non-empty arrays / dictionaries, etc. are said to be truthy, as in they give true when passed to bool x. Similarly with OR, if it sees that we have something like truish x and something, it just gives you back that x. Take a look. That's why in your first case lorem and true evaluates to true. Lorem is truish, so Python just gives back the second argument, while in the second case lorem or true evaluates to lorem, Python gives back the first argument. If you want to check whether both substrings are in a string, you can construct a longer expression, or use loops / arrays.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.